Hey everybody, welcome. David Elliott from Pearl Nano, and today we're going to go over the lineup I have behind me. Okay, we're just going to go product by product, what it does, how it works, and maybe why you should use it, okay? We're going to go, which side should we start? We'll go with this side, okay? This is the textile water repellent for cloth seats, canvas, boat tops. I like to use it on convertible tops. Spray it on, scrub it in with a soft brush, let it dry, maybe do it again, let it dry. The water beads and just flies off, okay? Again, it's the Pearl Nano textile water repellent for cloth and canvas, okay? That's our first product we have up here. The second product is the Power Soap, okay? One of the best soaps you'll ever use. It has gloss enhancers in it, foams up in a foam cannon, put in a bucket of water and a mitt. Works amazing. Okay, the Power Soap. We have the graphene waterless car wash, ceramic waterless car wash. So this will cut the dirt on contact, has a little bit of SiO2 in there, shines up your car in the sun, out of the sun, it doesn't matter. Spray on, rub in, and wipe off the graphene waterless car wash, okay? Next up here is we have the Correction Compound. This is a scratch remover. This is an all-in-one compound. It's a diminishing abrasive. I know I'm getting in the weeds there. Diminishing abrasive. So it breaks down as you use it. It could be by hand. It could be with a rotary polisher or even a dual action polisher. Works really, really well. It doesn't dust. It's not oily. It is an all-in-one. You can use a coarse, medium, and fine pad. One product, that's why we call it all-in-one. You use one product, different pads, and get an amazing result. Okay? The fourth product we have here is the Metal X. This is our iron remover. If you sit in front of a train or the brakes on your car, fly up a little bit of brake dust, you could have iron particles embedded in your wheels or embedded into your paint. This, you spray it on, it turns purple, it dissolves the irons that are embedded into your wheels or your paint. You can see it because it has a chemical reaction with the metal and it turns purple. So it's a good thing to do about once a year, once every 2 years. If you don't take the metal shards that are stuck and sticking into your clear coat, it could rust and go beneath your clear coat into your paint and possibly the metal into your car there. So I highly recommend. This is a very smelly product. It has the chemical reaction in it, and it has some sulfur, some chemicals in here that make it turn purple and dissolve the iron and metal particles. Again, Metal X here, okay? This is our Decon ceramic coating prep spray, panel wipe. There's a lot of different names for it. So after you're finished compounding the car and you're getting ready for ceramic coatings, you'll either want to use soap and water. I prefer Dawn if you're going to prep the car. If you're not going to use my compounds and you're going to use other compounds, I definitely recommend using a Dawn dishwashing soap to prep your car. If you're going to use my compounds, this is going to remove all the oils and anything that is on the car from the compounds. This is again Decon, the ceramic coating prep spray. Okay, we have a couple different colors, a burgundy purple and a purple. Our most expensive but most amazing product here is the spray on ceramic. This is an SiO2 spray on ceramic, 6 months to 1 year coating that you can apply yourself. It's DIY. We also recommend it for all ceramic coated jobs. Okay, you do a ceramic coating, a couple hours later, put this on top. It's gonna be the cherry on top of the cake. Every year, decon it or strip wash it and use this on top of it, on top of our coatings, and you will see that coating last a very long time. I say that our coatings last 3 to 5 years, but our testing shows a lot longer, maybe double or triple. But I don't try to say that on camera, okay? All right. The next up is interior detailer. Okay, your car might be clean, but you don't know if the inside's clean. Or no, let me just say that again. Your car might be clean, all the scratches might be out, but you look at the inside of your car and it's dusty and it's dirty. The interior detailer goes on easy, it smells wonderful, you wipe it off with a microfiber towel and it leaves a matte finish, okay? It's very nice, it's very clean. You want to use this on the inside, on the dashboard, the console, the door mats or the door panels. Anything that's plastic, leather, or vinyl, you're going to want to use this on it, okay? All right, next up is our flagship product, Speed Coat, which is a ceramic waterless car wash product. You can use it in the sun, in the shade, on a dirty car, a clean car. If you wanted to, clean your car at the car show, but it's just a little dusty, this is perfect for it too, but this could also be for the dirtiest car. Not mud and mud bogging kind of dirty, but I'm talking, road grime, something you haven't washed your car in a few weeks. You can easily do this in the garage, at the beach, in a parking lot, before your date, something. You want to have a clean car, you have a bottle of this, it's going to be great for trucks, motorcycles, boats, everything, okay? We've had it for over 20 years. We've sold millions of bottles. You're going to love this. Okay, next product is all-purpose cleaner, the APC. It's a regular all-purpose cleaner. You can use this for cleaning your wheels. Maybe you have a spot on your cloth seats. Put some on there, okay? You can scrub it with a microfiber towel. You can take the extractor and extract it out. All-purpose cleaner, it works on everything. Stainless steel, all kinds of different products, all kinds different surfaces, okay? All right, this is our second compound. It's called a ceramic compound. It is a very high-tech product. You can use it with a rotary, mostly with a dual action polisher and a microfiber pad. The new clear coats on today's cars are fairly soft. They scratch really easily. This right here cuts 80-90% of all the scratches out in a very short amount of time, and it doesn't dust. It's not all greasy and ugly and oily. So ceramic compound works great. We use it with the correction compound and then this on top. Great for boats. Ceramic compound right there. All right, a traditional product here is a Carnauba wax, a spray-on Brazilian Carnauba wax, but this isn't just any spray wax. This actually fills in the micro scratches. So a lot of times, we call this the purple, yellow, purple. We use the Speed Coat first to get all the dirt off, put the Max Wax on top of it, and then seal it up with another layer of the Speed Coat. It looks amazing. It looks like you polished it, okay? Again, Brazilian Carnauba wax with fillers. Awesome product. All right, talk about awesome products. The water spot killer. This is a light acid. If you have water spots, if you have black streaks on your RV, if you have super dirty wheels, this isn't just a water spot remover. This is also a wheel cleaner. If you have a stain on something, this will probably take it off, okay? It is a light acid, so you might want to wear gloves. Don't get it in your eyes. Don't drink it, okay? But it's not going to burn your face off, okay? It's mild. It's a mild acid, but please be careful. Don't use it in the sun. Use common sense, okay? Take the applicator, put it on the windows, wash it with soap and water, okay? Awesome product. The pro detailers tell me that it saves them between 10 minutes and 20 minutes per car. You can take the boar hair brush and get through all the emblems, the wheels, spray it off, done, okay? Water spot killer. This thing is great. And last but not least, the tire gel, okay? Actually, it's not the last one. We have the tire shine, okay? What's the difference? The tire gel is like a paste. I like to take a paint roller, okay, a paint roller, put it in the tray, roll it, and then roll the tires. Or you can have an applicator, put it on the applicator and put it on the tires that way. Make sure it's nice and smooth and not all glumpy and stuff. It'll dry in about 20 minutes and it won't sling up. It'll look amazing. The Tire Shine is more of an oil-based product. This is a water-based product. An oil-based product that you could spray on your wheels, spread it out. You could also put it in the engine compartment and on vinyl and plastics, okay? The other products that's brand new, the Tire Shine here is brand new, and so is the glass cleaner. The glass cleaner is an anti-fog, tint-safe, ammonia-free, streak-free glass cleaner, okay? It does come in a concentrate. This is ready to use. And let's see, what else do we have here? Well, two of our favorite and most successful ceramic coatings. We'll go with this one first. This is the Easy Coat. This is a ceramic coatings. We could sell this as a DIY product. You just really can't make a mistake with this. You can use this outside. Most ceramic coatings can't be used. I'd say all ceramic coatings can't be used outside, but this one can. Okay, it has an extended working time. We've had guys use this on black cars in the middle of the summertime in Arizona outside. 179 degrees when the thermometer reading hit the hood. 159 degrees on the Hawaii test that we did. It was about 140 on the car that we did here in the summertime. Again, I don't recommend doing it outside, but if you have problems with ceramic coatings or you're just unsure on how to use them, you can't go wrong with this. You literally wipe it on and wipe it off and it's no problem. It's so easy, we called it easy, okay? So, the Easy Coating. The last but not least is the #1 ceramic coating in the world. And I say that because we have the test data to prove that it's #1. We've tested this against about 100 other coatings. We have hundreds or maybe thousands now of ceramic coating installers, professional detailers that use this on a daily basis. And it's super, super chemical resistant. Okay, we put mag chloride, we put paint thinner, we put paint reducer, carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner. It laughed at it, okay? Even the water spot killer, which I can take most of the ceramic coatings on the market off with that product, it doesn't touch this product, okay? So it's super glossy, super chemical resistant. It's easy to use. It's super slick. And we say it's 3 to 5 years, but wink, wink, we think that it'll go double or possibly triple if you take care of it and you put the spray-on ceramic on top of it once a year. Okay, this is your new go-to coating. Pearl Nano X version 2, and on those paint enhancement products or jobs that you get, the Easy Coat, okay? We just covered a whole bunch of products here, from the tire gel to the textile product to the 2 best ceramic coatings you have ever tried. Hopefully you tried them. Hopefully you use it every day. Okay? My name is David Elliott, Pearl Nano, calling all detailers, and of course the 10X Detail Podcast. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.